bonjour, bonsoir. Welcome back to my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make Haitian cake from scratch. But before we get started, I want to thank everybody who watch my videos and support my channel. For the people who are new, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. And let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. 2½ cups cake flour, 1 stick unsalted butter, 1⅓ cups white sugar, 1 cup evaporated milk, 1 cup warm flavor, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 3 large eggs, 3 egg yolks, 1⅓ cup of Crisco, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon lemon shaving, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of almond extract. Right now, I'm mixing all the dry ingredients. I'm mixing all the dry ingredients for 2 minutes. I'm whisking the eggs and adding vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, warm flavor. I'm adding 1 stick of butter and 1/3 cup of Crisco to the dry ingredients and let it mix for 5 minutes. I'm adding the milk to the egg mixture and pouring it into the dry ingredients. I let it mix for 7 minutes. I'm adding the lime shavings. I'm already added butter and flour to my 9-inch cake pan and pour the mixture. I'm shaking the cake pans to remove any air bubbles. Set up your oven at 350 degrees and set your pans and let it cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes has passed, check to see if the cake is ready by inserting a toothpick inside the cake to see if it comes out dry. If the toothpick comes out dry, that means your cake is ready. After the cake has been cooled for 1 hour, take a knife and decross the side. This is the final product. This is how the cake should look like. This part is only optional. I'm adding apricot and pineapple preserve as a filling. This is the final product. Bon appétit! Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you. And also don't forget to watch my other video on my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.